Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today. Today I have an announcement of some new items, some new packs that are going to be in my Etsy shop. Sometimes they don't even get to the Etsy shop because they sell beforehand, but I will be listing it if nobody comments or wants it through my YouTube channel. I'm really excited to show you this pack. It is my Edith Holden pack, and it is all pockets, booklets, tags, things that are made with the Edith Holden pages. And I've just been so busy. I've had so much fun making this pack. So I only have one of these up for grabs, and let me show you, there are 22 pieces or 22 items to this pack. So let me show you them. I'm so super excited. I absolutely loved making this, and it kept me busy for a while. But let me show you what's in there. So as far as tags, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I believe, 6 tags. So we've got this one here, which has some vintage lace, a little flower, and some writing space on the side there. Then we have this one here, which can tuck over a page, so that would go over a page. I haven't got a journal at hand, or have I? Let me see. I do have a journal here. So, let me just see. What you would do is you would just pop that, tuck that over your page like so. So that's like a double tag, and it has got little pockets both sides. It has got a pocket there as well. And then this tag here just has writing space again, and then it has a flower and some lace. This one has a little pocket here, and then total happiness, perfect joy, bliss. Love that. This one has a pocket here, and then writing space, and then vintage lace and a flower. And then this is another of the over the page tags, and that has got some lovely vintage lace on there. So those are the tags. And then envelopes. Right, let's have a look what envelopes we have here. 2, 3, 4. Right, there are 5 envelopes. So we have these 5 envelopes, and they've got, I think they've all got a little bit of copy-dyed paper in them. That's just very autumn, isn't it, with some lovely lace. And then again, it's got some gorgeous lace. They have got some copy-dyed paper in them. Could sing to me, life's darkest hour, life's blackest. I don't know what that is, but it's just a little bit from, that sounded a bit gloomy, didn't it? Sorry. And then you've got a little itty bitty one there. Aren't they just gorgeous? And this one's got a vintage stamp and some vintage ledger. That one hasn't got any coffee dyed paper in it. So we have 5 envelopes. And then I have made some cute little pockets, little tuck spot booklets. This has got coffee dyed paper, and then it has a pocket either side, and then just some vintage lace to coordinate with that. This is lovely vintage lace. And then you could put something on the front if you want to complete that, or just leave it as it is and tuck it into a journal. This one is a now what you would do, you would actually, it's a pocket, but it's also a flip. So what you would do, you would just glue this piece here onto the page, and then you actually have a flip out as well as or you could, you know, glue it down like that if you wanted to, or you could have it as a flip, and then it's got a little tag with some paper, a little pull out there. And then there's two of those. This one has some more of that vintage lace, and that one you can fix. I haven't made a tag for this one, but you could put whatever you wanted in there. So there are two of those. And then I've made this. Oh, I love this. Really love how this turned out. This is a little folio all by itself. This is a little folio. I love it. It has a little booklet there with some lovely flowers, and then you've got this pocket here, and lovely butterfly if they were let to fly away. And then inside you have a little tuck spot embroidered with some lovely embroidered stitching. So it is done on the sewing machine, but it's a lovely leaves, and then some lace there. And then we have a tag in this pocket here, which I haven't put any coffee dyed paper on that yet. You know, you could add that to that if that's what you wanted to do. I love this little folio. I think this is adorable. I absolutely love that folio. And then we have another little booklet. So you've got two of these little booklets, and they've got the pockets either side like so. And then we've just got a little pocket tuck spot. You could glue that to the page, so you had a little pocket tuck spot. And then I have a little flip with some vintage paper, and then that will go on. You know, you could tuck that into a pocket. Then there's another one here which has some lovely little pages as well. So I've included a couple of these, you know, little extra writing spaces, and this has got a little friend dictionary meaning on here. And then we have a little pocket, so you can add that to the page. And then we have this little pocket which you would glue down three sides, and it's got a lovely little tag and some lovely lace on there. And then one of the little pockets that open out, little coin sort of pockets there. So there are 22 items in this pack. You know, it took me a couple of days to make them, but I had so much fun doing it. So it's £25 for the pack and £3 postage to the UK. If you're outside of the UK, then let me know, and I'll find out how much the postage is. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and I just, oh my god, I'm so tempted to keep them, but I'm not going to. It'll give me an option to make more. So I have lots of packs up for sale in the next couple of days. As I've been now sorted out my craft room, I've now been able to put some packs together. So this is the first one. This is my Edith Holden pockets, tuck spots, little booklets pack. So if you're interested, please comment below or email me at stampinstilettos@gmail.com. It will be in the description below. So there you go. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye bye.